So I was just scrolling through the internet when I came across this news that made me stop. A rare Oriental Pied Hornbill had been spotted right here in Delhi. These birds belong in the lush, wet forests of Himalayan foothills, not the dry urban landscape. I had to see it for myself. I packed my birding gear and headed straight to the Lodhi Garden at the first light. After roaming throughout the garden and looking at as many trees as possible, we finally found it. But wait, this is actually Indian Grey Hornbill, which is quite common in Delhi. The female seals herself completely inside this tree cavity with mud to protect her eggs, and the male spends all day bringing her food. But then, the unbelievable happened. The majestic Oriental Pied Hornbill arrived, and she didn't just land. She brought green berries and actually fed the female grey hornbill inside the nest. This bizarre interspecies feeding behavior has completely puzzled ornithologists across the country. After delivering her meal, she flew into the canopy and began vigorously rubbing her beak against the bark. This bird behavior is called feaking. Birds do this to swipe away sticky fruit residue, hone the edges of their bill, and keep it in perfect hunting condition. Sitting there watching this unfold reminded me why I love birding. It takes hours of waiting, but that quiet calmness of being in nature and witnessing a raw, undocumented moment makes it all worth it. If you feel the same connection to the wild, please like this video and hit subscribe. It really supports the channel and I'll make bringing you more amazing bird adventures. See you out there.